how warm or cold the air is.
Hey everybody, what happens if the water content stays the same and the temperature drops? The relative humidity increases. Hey Cade, do you know what a barometer is?
No,
Why not?
I don't know.
A barometer measures the pressure. Did y'all know colder air doesn't require as much moisture as warmer air? I am a low cloud. Cumulus, stratocumulus, stratus, and cumulonimbus.
I am a mid-level cloud, altocumulus, altostratus, and nimbostratus.
I am a high-level cloud. Cirrus, cirrocumulus, and cirrostratus. And this is my friend, Quavo.
So you see, the way the air moves affects the weather. Because winds move heat and cold temperature, as well as moisture from one place to another, transporting conditions from one geographical zone to another.
When there's more moisture in the air, there's greater chance for precipitation, like rain or snow.
I'm warm air.
And I'm cold air, and in a cold front, cold air replaces warm air.
No, I'm not saying that. This is for your thing. Give me my microphone.
Way too high. You need the goodie. High pressure system typically brings clear skies.
Hi, everybody. Thermal inversion occurs when warm air settles over cooler air that is close to the ground. It can be bad because it can trap pollutants over the ground. Bye.
Or tornado.
Oh, I'm a tornado. Ooh. I'm coming for you.
Primary pollutants are the ones directly emitted into the atmosphere from the source. These can be emitted in natural ways or due to human actions. In contrast, secondary pollutants are produced by the reactions between primary pollutants and other molecules. Primary pollutants are released due to human activities or natural.
Criteria: air pollutants cause smog, acid rain, and other health hazards. Some examples can be lead, ozone, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, sulfur dioxides.
Wow. Photochemical smog, often referred to as summer smog, is a chemical reaction of sunlight, nitrogen oxides, and organic compounds found in the atmosphere, which leaves airborne particles on ground level ozone. Industrial smog contains two primary components: sulfur dioxide and particulates, which come from dust and soot from burning coal. These combine with water and fog to produce acid rain. The sulfur dioxide, produced when coal or other fossil fuels burn, dissolves in water and becomes a toxic stew of thick fog and particles.
Ozone depletion is a steady lowering of about 4% in the total amount of ozone in Earth's atmosphere, the ozone layer, and a much larger springtime decrease in stratospheric ozone around Earth's polar regions.
I didn't see you there. Acid rain is a rain or any other form of precipitation that is unusually acidic, meaning that it has elevated levels of hydrogen ions, low pH. It can have harmful effects on plants, aquatic animals, and infrastructures. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which react with the water molecules in the atmosphere to produce acids.
See, now I want to redo mine.
In recent years, emissions of many pollutants have increased drastically. The Blue Ridge Mountains name originates from the bluish haze caused by hydrocarbons released by trees in the atmosphere. In recent years, visibility of southern mountain ranges has decreased by 40% in the winter and 80% in the summer due to man-made pollutants. There's not a major problem of smog in the Asheville area, but there is pollution due to factories such as the energy factory on Lake Julian and the paper plant in Canton. Ozone depletion in Asheville can be caused by the many factories we have and other various human activities that produce harmful gases. Acid rain is probably the most familiar type of air pollution problem for most people. In addition to acid rain, acids are brought to the ground as snow, dry particles, clouds, and fog. Studies in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park have found that average rainfall there is 5 to 10 times more acidic than normal rain, and that clouds covering the mountaintops are often 100 times more acidic still.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
Some natural causes to the earth warming are volcanoes. People know the earth is changing or getting warmer because glaciers are melting and landscapes are changing. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Some human causes to climate change may be the amount of carbon dioxide that humans are putting into the earth/atmosphere through like cars or factories or other things like that. Good morning. That's good. For my scholarly article, I chose one called China, Tackling Climate Change. It is about how climate change holds an important place among other environmental/national threats. This article mentions the large-scale deforestation and large amounts of CO2 that are playing a part in altering Earth's temperature. And by the way, I'm not reading. It talks about how rapidly changing weather patterns, altering landscapes, and rising sea levels can no longer be ignored! China plans to reduce its use of coal and increase of water for energy. That is how they will contribute to this issue. Thank you. Have a great day.
There has always been some pollution affecting the views in the southern Appalachians. In fact, the Blue Ridge Mountains name originated because of the bluish haze in the sky. Most of the pollution is caused by power plants, industry, and automobiles. While the decreased views are noticeable, there's also other impacts that cannot be seen, such as acid rain, polluted water and soil, and ozone depletion. I think that climate change is a major concern because I think that the Earth goes through cycles of warmer and colder weather. There are things that we can do to try to improve the rapidness of climate change, but I don't think anything will make a large difference.